Hello students. Now I will take your history class for class 7. Everyone take out your history book, this history book, and take out your first page. First chapter name is Where, When and How. Today I will learn the history about history's timeline and history. So at first we want to know what is history. Students, do you know what is history? History is the study of past. And now we want to know timeline. What is timeline? Timeline is the easiest way of showing events of the past. Now you can see here the timelines and divided of timeline. See here, there are two stages of history's timeline. First one is early medieval period and second one is late medieval period. Early medieval period starting from 700 C and it is end of the 1200 C. And second one, late medieval period is starting for 1200 CE2 and it is ended time 1700. Okay, and see, there are the death of Harsho's time. When Harsho was died, Harsho was died at 647 C and after then the time of 700 C they are starting from the early medieval period, and at the early medieval period whose king's kingdom were in the India, you can see here. Principals, Pratihars, Rashtrakuts, Chols and Rajput. These were the kingdoms of that time at this period. Okay? And second time starting 1200 C and the time of 1292 C at the period of late medieval period, when who has come in our India for visited our geographical, our historical beauty, want to see who is Marco Polo. What? Who? Marco Polo. Marco Polo, that time. The time is 1292 C when Marco Polo has come in India, and this timeline was late medieval period. And at that time, in this period, here in India, establishment of the Delhi Sultan and Mughal Empire. Who? Sultan and the Mughal Empire was that time in Indian history. So, two types of timelines are different from each other. according to years and according to empire we are looking. And you can see next page. This one is glimpse of the past. What? Glimpse of the past. We now can learn what was the glimpse of the past. The ancient period of Indian history ended with the death of Harsha. When? When ended? The ancient period when ended? The ancient period of Indian history ended with the death of Harsha. You can mark this. Who is the name of the empire? Who is Harsha? Ancient period, then stop. Then the presence of powerful dynastics like Pals, Pratihars, Rashtrakuts, Chols, and Rajput marks the beginning of the early medieval period. And then early medieval period were like this emperor, Pratihars, Rashtrakuts, Chols, and Rajput also. And dynamics of the Delhi Sultan regional kingdoms and the Mughals belong to the kingdoms of the late medieval period. And Sultan and Mughals, emperor when they started from kingdoms and the India, they started from their emperor and they established their employment at the time of late medieval period. Now we can go. India was known by many names in different periods. At that time, India was different type of name. Bharatvarsha, Bharat, and Hindustan were names of our country in the olden times. At the old stage, India, our country, India, known as different types of name. Was learn the name of the various types of name. What? Bharatvarsha, Bharat, and Hindustan also known as the olden time. When? Olden times. India, the modern name. And what is the modern name of our country? India. India is modern name was from the historical rivers Indus. And where is Indian name? Come from where? Come from where Indian name? India modern name. Our India, modern name India has come in historical river of Indus. The ancient Greeks refer to the Indians Indoi and the people of the Indus. So, Greek people refers to Indians Indoi as the people of Indus. So, students, I'll repeat again what we learned today. Was learned what is history and different types of history's timeline, and timeline history is one part. Here is glimpse of the past. So students, today I'll discuss about this. Every student learn it at your home and staying at home. Bye bye students.